Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
it's old. Yeah. Well, God, bless the love, bless the love, bless the love. So, welcome to another vlog here in Brampton. So I'm at the Bramley Mall. You know, I know you know this mall, you know, so Auntie's bringing me around, you know, to see what it's like. So I'm also going to see if I can grab myself something I'm going to, you know. But boy, it's raining outside, as you can see from the weather, right on? It's raining. Not in Georgia, but in Canada. Looking some rain.
Just see a video, bro.
Yeah, respect, man. Respect.
Man, do your thing, doggy.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Video, man, them.
Sit there.
Lock in. Make sure you lock in with the dogs, you know.
Yeah,
you know,
man. Jamaica. You got yourself, right? Yeah. The man was like, no, man. Reach Canada. Yeah, man. I'm here in your town. A lot of the viewers them don't really know yet, you know, because as I said, what's really going on in Jamaica kind of take over everything, you know, so give thanks to here. So guys, I'm also going to link up with some organizer, you know, to do some fundraise as well, to send some stuff back to Jamaica, you know, and also they're going to have a concert the 6th as well. So the concert is called Hope for Jamaica, you know, which is going to be at the Jamaican Canadian Center, you know, that's the 6th. Right, boss? Yes, Thursday the 6th, and that's 995 Arrow Road, Toronto. You know, so I'm gonna also be there. Gonna have the having artists performing as well too. You know, so yeah, you can come on down. You know, it's 995 Arrow Road, Toronto. You know, so it's gonna be, that's the community center, you know, that's gonna try to get some stuff, you know, to send back, you know, Jamaica to airport as well too. So I'm gonna also go there tomorrow, you know, to get to start to organize the stuff them that's gonna come in here to airport Jamaica, you know. So this is what we need to do, you know. So guys, so I'm gonna give you guys some more information when I get there. When I get there tomorrow, and then I will let you know. And then I will let you know where you can, you know, do your stuff from. So stay tuned for that one. So we're here in the mall.
This guy wanted to say
talking.
Oh yeah. Yeah, 'cause I saw him been looking, but I was busy talking. Late. Guys, one of the weirdest things just happened. Yeah, listen, I never recorded anything because I was so excited to meet them. Imagine, yeah, remember one time everyone in the team got a trainers, got a sneakers from Martin and Deborah, you know, from Canada. Because I was planning on to surprise him, just call him and let him know that I'm here. When he see the video, he would have contacted me. You know, because I'm walking me and aunt say, yo, let's go check out in this store. You know, going to H&M, right? So it was in H&M, and then with H&M now, we look to the men's section. I'm like, no, let's go. And then she ended up walking the next side, and then the one who walked on the other side, because first we meant to go downstairs. So once we walked the other side, I heard someone say, Akeynote, you know. I was like, this is Deb, you know, Martin's wife, and I couldn't believe I just ran into her. You know, it's like, what a coincidence, because she never meant to come this direction neither. You know, just sometimes when fate, you know, destiny makes it happen, that's how it will happen, you know. So it was such a pleasure meeting Deb, you know. So, you know, definitely that will leave me, you know, to link up with Martin, you know, because, hey, come on, Martin done so much for the program as well, and for everyone in the team, you know. So it's a must link up, you know. So pick up yourself, Martin, Deborah, so finally now you're gonna get a chance to meet, you know, in a place. This is how the Almighty works. That's how it works, you know. All because of Auntie, you know, I'm following her lead.
I don't give up easily.
No.
It's music playing here.
Yeah.
So you don't want to go in?
I'm gonna stop it still.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright guys, what I tell you, that mall you can walk till your feet them drop off. The mall is so big. You could have walked till all your feet them drop off and you still not complete it. You know? Still, you know, so it's a good walk, you know, a good experience. You know, so we're gonna have, you know, to go and get something to eat. So Auntie said she know this nice seafood place. We're gonna get some seafood. And so go on, you know, so that's what we're gonna eat, you know. Get some seafood because I walk in there. Take out everything out of here. But it's raining now, so. So we are at Red Lobster having some seafood, seafood specials. They are seafood. Take a bite for you.
So just butter. Okay. I'm on this the garnish.
Okay. This is fish. Fish strip. Ibo Spice. I'm not at Ibo Spice at all.
Far from it.
I'm far away from Ibo Spice. I'm at the seafood spice. not Ivo spice. Seafood spice. So guys, I'll catch you back up. I'm gonna finish this auntie over there. Enjoying hers. Alright, so many things I'm not gonna bite my tongue on camera. So let me go and enjoy some fish strip. I was waiting till I get in.
I was going to come around and get you.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Yes. So, you know, this is the morning. We're heading to Niagara Falls. See? Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls. Yeah, so that's where we're heading this morning. You know, so we're here, we're ready. And we have auntie closing at the door. And we have friends as well to come in. Also, let me get juice. And we have
Wow check.
Wow check.
Yeah, wow check.
Wow check. We have wow check here.
Driving my car.
Yeah. We have wow check. Big up wow check. Yes, that's a wow check there, guys. We have wow check. Mrs. over there. So they're gonna.
Go here.
That's all?
Yeah.
They're used to the weather.
Okay, go.
I should have leave it parked there. I'm off it.
No, you put it here when I pull up.
The auntie there. So we're here and wow check in the building. But wow check, the name sound like wow chef. You know, it's like we're saying wow chef, but we're saying wow check. You know, so guys, it's gonna be that wonderful experience today. You know, we'll see what's going on down at that fall. You know, so I am ready, and we have wow check. Wife is here. Here is wow check wife. Tell him your name.
Juliet.
Juliet. So Romeo, that's Romeo. Wow
That's
check. So
That's trouble tree, not Romeo. He gives trouble.
He gives trouble.
Yeah.
So it's wow check Romeo, and this is
Check Romeo.
Yeah.
That's a good way to say it.
Yeah, and this is his Juliet. Oh, let him park in there. So guys, it's gonna be a wonderful experience here for me. You know, the sun was out earlier, but you know this is the winter look here in Canada. You know, in Brampton. So you know the winter look goes already.
Huh? Yeah.
So you know the winter looks already. So this is the winter look. Grey, you know, grey.
You know he's
So it's
quiet.
all grey skies. Grey blues. Well, guys. Well, right. We just reached at Niagara Falls, and trust me, the beauty of it. Because we came to the restroom, you know, because it's been a little drive. You know, it's been about almost 2-hour drive, so it's not so far away from where we're coming from. So it's not that bad, you know. So we're gonna be out there walking, and then we're gonna go on the boat as well too, you know. So I'm just waiting for them to come out the restroom, you know. But I am here. But the beauty of the fall is so nice. You know, the mist is that direction, you know. The mist, as you can see, I know you probably can see. That's the far along there. You can see the mist as well too, you know. But this is the park area. This is the park area. Trust me, it is so nice being here, you know. Literally, whoa, so nice being here. But as I say, I dress for the all weather, so I am ready for the weather. You know, I'm always ready for the weather. That's one thing for sure. I am ready for the weather. You know, so big up our love. So we have the our love jacket here, me representing our love. You know, keep you warm. You know, our love. It says that I got the our love tracksuit on right now. You know, and it's really, really warm. You know, winter dressing. You know, so guys, we have to link up our love to get this wind. Look, it's the jacket. Let me see, you probably cannot see. Let me turn the camera around so you can see it properly. Right, so you see. Alright, so I guess you can see now. Right, so as you can see, our love right here, you know. Full track suit is our love. And this is the we call this jacket. I forgot the name of this jacket. You know, so it's all our love. You know, and it's really, really warm. You know, I'm not even lying. It's really a warm thing I'm wearing right now. So, there's a name for this jacket. Please say the name in the comment section. The name is right on the tip of my tongue, but it's not coming off. You know, it's stuck in like saliva. I don't know. It's there, something like the jackets. But yeah, ready. Big up yourself, our love. Keep it more warm. You know, so they're ready now. So let's go. Is it warm enough? Road check. Road check. He's ready.
And Juliet.
And Juliet. So it's road check Romeo and Juliet. Yeah, road check Romeo and Juliet.
Like a bloody flood.
Road check. So guys, so we're here. Finally we're here. You know, Auntie Lane is here. She's ready for the walk. There's one thing with Auntie, you know, when she's ready to walk, she's ready to walk.
I said, tell him, say, me young man, gone.
We used to go all over the place. We travel.
We travel with me.
We in trouble because of COVID. But when COVID is gone, but we
But you know what? I'm getting old and I get anxiety.
Yeah, I understand. Wow, the fall, the beauty from here.
Yeah, see how pretty it is?
It is, man. Look at that. So we're starting from where the mist is, right?
Yeah.
And they've got a big casino over there as well.
Yes.
Oh, so this is the CN Tower. Look.
No,
It's not it?
That's not CN Tower.
It looks like it.
That looks one. That's a different.
That's a different thing. That just looks like it's from the. Yeah. Okay. That look like something from the Men in Black movie. That definitely look like something from the Men in Black movie. The geese?
You can't kill them. You go on the road. You have to wait till they cross. Till when you move, because if you let you get locked up.
See the geese down there? And them don't not eat as turkey neck. A joke. Yeah, so.
Sure you warm enough?
We could take one of the bus rides.
Sure you warm enough?
No, walk.
Oh, okay.
You say I'm good?
Yeah, it's good.
It's not that cold.
No. But after, when it start to soak in on the skin. But I am prepared. You cold?
No.
I don't know, but I'm warm enough because
You
I
warm
have on
enough?
stuff, right?
You warm enough, check?
Yeah, for now.
For now. He said for now. You know, guys, I make sure I told you I'm the layer man. You know, so we're gonna be out here. So really good. But I like the view already. You know, I like the scenery of this place. You know, so nice. And you can see the people look cool as well to the way they're walking, cloaking up. So finally we're going to see a fall different from Duns River Fall and Reggae Falls. So this is a pedestrian guy.
They would say if you come Canada and you don't see this,
Yeah.
you never come to see anything.
Don't it? You can't come Canada
I know, see.
and can't come to Canada you don't see the fall. You have to see the fall. And
It's a bit bigger, you know.
the fall.
Change, it gets smaller now.
Wow. There's some big fall.
Right over there. Yeah?
That's US over there?
US all
Them buildings US? Oh guys, so look, this USA right there, we see those buildings. That's what Buffalo?
Yes.
That's Buffalo, that's how we're right across from the US. So if we can swim across.
The other guy go across, walk on the wire,
Yeah.
and came across on
Oh,
the wire.
on the wire?
Nothing.
Wow.
He travel all over the world and does that.
At least everyone can say they got some exercise.
So look at this. That's the mist.
Fun. You're having fun.
Yeah, you know. Just see the mist coming up.
Look at the mist, it's so nice.
Yeah. Wow. It's so nice.
The last time I came here, this wasn't here.
Oh, these building?
No.
Oh.
It's a long.
So you know that's like
We wouldn't go there.
the restaurant over there they
The
put.
high prices over this.
I can imagine. So check this out, guys. Check this out. They say you cannot come to Canada without experiencing the fall. Can't come here. There's a lot of people here as well too. Also, I guess down there is where you get you can take like a boat. You'll see what I can experience here today. Trust me. Oh,
Go down and come down. Look when come down.
okay.
And go right on.
And they're wearing blue.
Yeah, like you have to buy the tickets
Yeah.
and then you get the thrill of it. Look all down there with gushing.
Yeah. Wow. They're gonna face it, boy. They're gonna face it.
I think this is a yellow jacket.
Oh, there is it there. Made of the mist. So that one is the American one, guys. So basically you have both American and the Canadian. So there is the American boat right under the mist. That's beautiful. That's the excitement of this right there. So watch. So where you say, I think I should go, guys. Right under. Go and see where they're going. Come walk them closer. Let me see they go. Or they're gonna disappear. Yeah. It's turning, doing a 360 turn. Oh, they're not going under. They're just literally, they're at the miss. And they're turning back. Like Reggae Falls. You been to Reggae Falls? Oh, so basically they just go right where the mist is and come back. Yeah.
But at least some people like to do for the trail.
Yeah.
Show it. I think you get a card with a picture.
Okay.
I'm not sure. My brother came back home with one.
Yeah.
With him under the fall.
Yeah.
I think it's like a backdrop and you take the picture. Man didn't make this, you know.
No. Just look at the water all the way there coming down.
Canada is such a huge.
So that's America over there we're looking at,
all
guys.
Yeah. All the that light hotel.
Yeah. That's America. So that's America right over there we're looking at, guys. So you have the falls from American side and we across here, Canadian side. So close I am. Hello America. So I can go.
Walk across the bridge, you know, you need your papers, you know.
Oh yeah. And I left my passport.
You know what they call that?
What?
No man's land.
Oh, no man's land.
Nobody owns it.
No one.
You see?
Yeah.
No man's land.
No man's.
Country and water.
Yeah.
We're going to see how this one does it.
So that's the Canadian one now coming in.
Canadian.
Yeah.
And this goes on 24 hours.
Right through.
Oh, it don't shut off now.
Oh yeah, the fall. Yeah.
But it used to be bigger, you know.
Okay.
But, you know, over the years.
Yeah.
Because when I was going to school, I heard about this.
So I think they dump it up.
Yeah, this was never used to be like this.
So they dump it up
This
and make
was
this.
rocks and water. But
Yeah.
sometimes people drop over there and all of that. So they try and make it more safer.
I mean, go on Canada. There you go, Canada. So the American one is turning back again. They're turning again. And here's Canada. Going right there. No, we can go down more and get. Yeah, we can walk go down more.
Most time all year used to be wet.
Yeah.
Spring.
And think they organize that. By the mist, right? It's very busy as well, guys. A lot of people come out, you know, so I guess it's going to do the same thing and turn around. I guess that's what's going to happen. It's going to turn right around back. So that's the Canadian one right there. Canada one takes its time before it even turns, so it spends more time down here than the American one. More time there.
This one take a different path.
Huh?
It go down that.
Yeah, and takes longer as well than the
American one go just
quick turn and just go back.
But look now, look what you see.
Yeah.
Right under.
And the sun is coming out.
Yeah, beautiful. Take that.
Yeah. It literally stops as well.
You like it? You go get the tickets. I never been, but it's a thrill of a lifetime. When you're ready.
I'm not gonna be able to video because the camera cannot take water like that.
Okay.
Yeah. The view is good. So at least this one takes longer than the American one. I'm just gonna walk down somewhere. You gonna sit here?
Okay. No, I'll wait for you till you come back.
Yeah, you can sit here. Alright guys, so you know, while I'm here, I have to see if I could get closer to the fall down by the edge to see what's really down there. So this is a beautiful experience, you know. This is one of the biggest falls I ever seen in my life. You know, we see it on TV, but in reality, trust me, it's huge. So down here you can feel the mist coming over as well too. The mist is coming over, you can see it. Coming back home, but it's quite busy here though, you know, very, very busy. So everyone comes out. So I'm getting as closer. There's a lot of mist coming over as well. So you know I'm gonna get that wet. you can hear the sound. Going a bit closer. I sit down here, the ground is wet because through the mist that's coming over from the mist that's coming over from the on the water from the fall. Look at that. This is all wet like it was raining, but it's not. It's just a mist. This bird must be saying, all of these people are come take picture with me. Oh them, it's gone. It's like, yo, it's gone. I'm like, how can I take you guys taking some of the photos with me? You man, look at that. There's a rainbow farming right there. See? There's a rainbow farming right here. How beautiful is that? As you can see down here, wet. Niagara Falls. Change position. So here's where the car is. So many mists coming in down this side, you know, so many. Yes, wet down here. But me I look at me saying the Jamaicans.
I was going to say
I was checking to see if we see any Jamaicans, but it's mostly Africans that you see down here as well as blacks. How the Jamaican them there? Oh no there. I don't see them. God, there's so much mist coming in. I was looking for my Jamaicans, I don't see them. And the blacks I see is African. Jamaica not cater for this. So over there you have the Marriott Hotel. You have the Embassy Suites over there as well too. Marriott Embassy Suite. And here is where you have it's a restaurant here as well too. Where you can have eat. See? More African there. When you see the blacks them, it's all African. But we are African also. But I'm just talking about the Jamaicans, We don't see them down here. But true, we have too much fall back home. Them say you want to cater for fall because you have all these falls back home. Every river will fall, but this fall just bigger. Just been something there, that's why. But hey, so here you can get something to eat and all of that. So very nice. Taylor Rock. So I'm gonna have my experience now and getting on that boat.
you know him.
I'm gonna have my experience now getting on the boat. So imagine that. So I'm gonna take you on that journey. On the journey. Wow. So I'm gonna try as much to kind of shield my camera from the mist, so I don't get too much water inside of it. So Auntie say you can't come this far and don't go on the boat. So when Auntie go out, she go all out and down. Alright, keep lining.
Some of them have the boat too.
Yeah. Oh, is that zip lining?
Would you want zip line over there?
So here's the boat tickets right here.
You can buy the boat ticket over there. Proceed to window one.
Self-serve.
I'm gonna do technology things. Anything technology in my job.
One person will be 48.55 right now. Thank you. And there you go. Please take the real behind you, okay?
Have you been on the Akeynote?
You are entering around the corner, okay? That way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can want talk and all them things. Why you make this video?
Yeah.
Okay, love. We will be somewhere off here.
Alright then.
Take care.
Alright, Auntie.
Enjoy.
Alright then, thank you. Guys, I'm off. I am off to the boat. Oh, wow. Well, guys, I am down here to go board the boat to Jamaica. I'm gonna be wet. I can see some people, their foot are wet. Yeah, their pants foot are wet. So basically, so the top part is safe, What? Oh. Go get me. Sorry.
You guys are gonna wait for around 20 minutes for the next boat. It's only one boat, so you're gonna wait every half an hour.
Ready. As me, I'm dressing on me all red. Oh, look, everyone is here having got their red on. Wow, so there's the boat. Many people loading. Wow. Just like so many. This is an experience and more. So basically, it's just my feet gonna probably be wet. Even the wheelchair is going as well too. Even the wheelchair.
Okay. All right. I just let two go by.
Look at me, the red. Wow. So there's a boat going out there. So I guess we're next. So that's the boat that gone out. So I guess we are next to the boarding out there. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes, we're gonna take it on, you know, so we're here.
Where you from?
Jamaica.
Oh, okay. I can tell by your accent.
Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Hello.
He's from Jamaica.
Jamaica. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
We got this thing on
You can check out my YouTube channel as well.
What's it called?
It's Akeynote Life in Jamaica. K-I.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Are you people okay?
Yeah.
So will you be able to go back?
Yeah. Well, I left just before it happened though.
What's it called?
Kingston.
Oh.
K-I. So Kingston I haven't get it much. N-O.
Oh,
It was K-I-N-O. There.
What is? Kino, K-I-N-O. Yeah, life of Jamaica.
Yeah. You have to sign in.
Okay, I'm gonna have to later. I'm about to screenshot it so I can know.
I'm coming from Florida before I reach here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I gotta do mine later, but I gotta sign in.
But I was in New York in January. Yeah. Were you from the US? Where you from? From the US? Where?
South Carolina. South and North.
Oh, Carolina. I need to go on as well. So I need to travel the whole 50 odd states.
That's right.
So I'm coming there.
Okay, I'm turning around now.
Alright guys, time to be boarding. It's boarding time. All aboard. You know, all the way out here in full ready. All aboard. We're all boarding. Look at Reds. The Red Army. It's the Red Army. We're leading up. Ready to get wet. Ready to get wet. There's lots of people. Look at that. All of us is gonna hold on board. And boy, the amount of people I see right now. Well, I guess they count the numbers, right? I guess they do. Wow, a whole heap of people. There's one lot of us. There's so many people right now. Why? Full up. Full up. We are aboard. Hey. So downstairs, all the barriers them are full. All right. Ready. Guys, this board is filled with people. Guys, we're moving off now. We're moving. The boat are reversed like a big truck. Right now we're moving. Ready. The boat has set itself. That's how you do. Going forward. Wow. So guys, so that's the border there to cross over to America. That is the border right there, the bridge. And that's America there, and that's Canada there. And we're here, we're in the border. We're in no man's land. So you ready for the mist? Time to go cover my camera a bit.
We're left side of the boat, where we will pass the Niagara Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller, more localized part of the left coast.
Here we are.
It is located between Prospect and Luna Island. According to some the high flow rate of water crosses the falls from the American Falls, which is composed of and limestone.
Hey, the mist coming in already. The seagull. There's a rainbow, guys. Chase the rainbow. Look on the far.
Water flow is 75,000 gallons, 40,000.
Pure mist coming in. I'm trying my best on my camera and get too much water. That is pure mist. And we don't reach to the big one as yet. It's like rain and dew. It's like rain's dewing. Let me see the camera look. Alright, good to go. Look at that. Guys, so we're coming up to the big fall now. That's when you're going to feel all the mist coming in. Now reach up to the big fall. This is so beautiful.
Since then, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls is...
There's some people up there. That's the America side. You can see some people up there at the top looking down as well. They're right by the fall. And here's the big mist. You see that everything is not cloud. This is all mist from the water. Oh, we're heading closer. We're heading closer. gonna enter, so time to wrap up camera and everything, because we're gonna go into this water now. Come fast. Everything set, check, ready, guys, are you ready? So the mist, take your time coming in, it's coming. No, it's coming, we're going in it, we are going in it. Here we go. Oh my days. Yo, into the water. In the fall. No sir. No sir. Like a rain of fall. Oh my days. Run, I'm gonna run. I don't know if I was I run. Yeah. Okay. Oi. Nah. This ain't real. They're running now, everyone's running. Yeah, don't run, stand up. No sir. Look, everyone's running. No, don't run, stay. I wanna go like on a Superman and Superwoman. But look at me attack at me still in it. Go on, Kina, run. You're gonna run, Kina, run. Run, Kina, run. I'm standing tall. No, sir. It's like we're in the middle of the storm right now. Yeah, it's like we're in the middle of this storm. Look. Go check on the next side. So everybody run in. Yeah, go like sorry. Oh my Oh, coming out. Oh my days. That was an experience. That was a experience. Oh, nothing is damaged. Yeah, that was an experience. Oh. So you can't come to Niagara Falls and don't get this experience. Auntie Elaine said, you know, you cannot come this far and you don't get the experience. You need to. And boy, we did it. We really, really did. I'm not lying. What an experience. What an experience. Guys, I'm out. It was an experience. It was amazing.
You serious?
Yeah, it was.
Get wet?
Yeah, I get where we cannot see. My foot are wet. My hands. Cheers.
I'm glad you went.
Yeah.
You went. I saw it went down and stayed there for a little while.
So it was like.
But the weather changed now, you know.
Yeah.
The weather changes.
Ready for the weather same way.
So
Auntie Akeynote can't come here and don't experience it.
no money.
She said when time we go hard, we go hard. Thank you so much for that experience, Auntie.
You're welcome,
Thank
my
you.
son.
I'm telling you.
Because did you see the lift? There's a zip line.
Oh yeah, I saw the zip line for another day.
I said to Miss J, say, maybe next summer we come and do
the zip lining.
No, we won't. She won't go on that. I'm more adventurous.
Oh, you're more adventurous than her.
But I'll go the boat next summer, God's willing.
Yeah, you can do the boat. Yeah, in the summer.
Pick that up.
The Sheraton. Oh yeah.
This part of the world never closed.
Right?
24
hours. 24/7. A bit warm though.
You?
Yeah.
Maybe it does better off the water. Sometimes you think you get colder on the water, but sometimes
You're warm. Oh well. That was lovely. Niagara Park. And they're small. When you exit through the lobby.
Oh, okay.
Where you can buy all the things, all the souvenirs, gifts them and everything, yeah.
I've never been down.
Oh, I'm like, these people are very smart.
Yeah,
So when
man,
you come
they
off the
spend
boat,
money.
he goes right through where the souvenirs
He
are.
went in there looking for you, and then he came back and told Miss J that he
Yeah.
saw a mug for $17.
Yeah.
So I said, what I need? Him said, man, Niagara Falls. So I say, no, we have enough mug for $17.
Yeah. Trust me. Because you see, when you exit off the boat, you come in, you come straight to the lobby, but they have all the gifts for you to just buy straight away. You know, all the souvenirs, everything is there.
Let's go.
5, 4, 3. They have to. They're not gonna drive.
Second time or third time? Okay.
You have to walk up here and check then.
You go that way, look.
That way, you can go that way to check.
Okay, let's go check.
Juliet want burger.
I don't think there's no Caribbean now.
No. Okay, we're rolling through the city. They said the weather has changed, but I'm feeling fine. Games and ride up there.
Princess Trip.
My captain.
Hey, you! Yeah, over here. Not here. Are you looking for something to do? Come on in.
One of those things scared to come down on you like the zombies and all those stuff.
Yeah, back here.
Yeah, they're honest enough.
If you know the words. If you brought your girlfriend, you should warn her.
Guys, so it was a wonderful day today. You know, so we just had something to eat at Applebee's. So yes, it was a wonderful day. You know, so it's time for us to head home. You know, there was already so blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. This is King Life in Canada. And we're here, you know, heading home. So Applebee's, the Apple sign there. It's not an Apple phone, but it's an Apple sign. So we're heading home. So we have a journey to go home. use. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.